Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to turn on preferences in WordPress, step by step. This quick guide will help you access hidden customization options to make your WordPress dashboard feel exactly the way you want it. Whether you're a beginner or a long-time user, by the end of this video, you'll know how to unlock and adjust your site preferences like a pro. So, let's jump right in. First things first, open your browser and head over to the official WordPress website. In the top right corner, click on Log In. For the fastest and most secure login, select Continue with Google. This option not only saves time, but also ensures your account stays protected with Google's built-in security layers. Once you've logged in, you'll see a list of your WordPress sites. Choose the one you want to work on. After that, click Edit Site under the Quick Links section. This will take you straight into the WordPress site editor where all the customization magic happens. Now that you're in the site editor, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 vertical dots. That's the More Options menu. Click it, and from the drop-down list, select Preferences. This is where you'll unlock WordPress's deeper customization settings. Inside the Preferences panel, you'll find a variety of options to tailor your editing experience. You can adjust layout settings, toggle features on or off, and fine-tune editing behavior to match your workflow. This section is incredibly powerful because it helps you personalize WordPress to fit your creative style, whether you're designing, writing, or managing content. And that's it. You've just learned how to turn on and use preferences in WordPress, giving you complete control over how your site editor looks and feels. This small but powerful feature can dramatically improve your workflow and make site management way more efficient. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.